I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hey guys, we're going to start a new game. Alright guys, so we are in the Bogon Galaxy, Planet Aranos. Alright, that's just telling you that it's an autosave feature. Alright guys, so the first weapon you start out with in this game is the Lancer. A machine gun similar to the blaster in the last game. So, to start, just step on this button.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
That's the same as the last game, except in this game, the select menu is a pause menu as well. So you just hold down triangle and it pauses the entire game. The weapons we have are the Lancer and the Gravity Bomb.
Press circle to fire your Lancer.
Alright, these weapons are MSR1 chainsaw models. Hit square to use your wrench. To use your Omni Wrench 8000.
To reverse the camera controls, go to the options menu.
Alright guys, so there's a few differences in this game. The crouch button is R1 only. And at the moment, we do not have Clank. That's what the Gravity Bomb does. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, unlike in the last game, the bolts have an insane multiplier. In the last game, 1 bolt equaled 1. In this game, 1 bolt equals like 50. Those things are PX6 blade balls. They'll get close to you and then they'll open up and have blades. Just like that. See, it'll do just that. To do a comic strike, hold down R1 and hit square. Something else that's different in this game, when you do a comic strike, you are able to run around. So see, I could do a comet strike and then run away and the wrench would still come right back. In this game, you are able to upgrade weapons by how much you use them.
Try selecting the Gravity Bomb and using it again.
Hit triangle to ignore those messages. Hold down L1 to go into look around mode, like I was just in. A door. If you double tap triangle, you are able to switch between the two weapons you have used most recently. You only have 4 health, but you are able to upgrade health as well as weapons. Hold down R2 to strafe. Strafing is where you look one direction, and even though you're moving side to side, you will still face that same direction. In the options menu, you are able to change the camera controls. And so I'm going to change left and right to make it easier for me. Strafing comes in very handy in this game. Alright, these boxes...
Your health has improved.
Yeah, those boxes are nanotech boxes. They will improve your health by 1. To do a hyper strike like I just did, hit X and then square. Or XX and then square. Either way. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.